Here's an example of a quadratic function that we're going to evaluate for some values, 5 values, in order to come up with the order pairs and then graph the function. So our function is y equals negative the quantity x minus 4 all squared plus 1. This is in the form called the vertex form. So we're going to go ahead and evaluate it for negative or positive 2, positive 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we substitute 2 into the function. Now we want to do the appropriate orders of operations. The appropriate order is do your parentheses first. So I'm going to take 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the exponent. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And notice there's a negative out in front, so that's going to make that a negative 4. So negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So that ordered pair, when we graph it, is over 2, down 3. Next one, we're going to input 3. So 3 minus 4, all squared, plus 1. We start off with the parentheses. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Then we square negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. We have a negative 1 out in front, plus 1 gives us 0. So that our pair when we graph it out is right 3, up 0. Next one, evaluator for 4. Do your parentheses first. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 squared is 0 with a negative, so still 0. Add 1, and we get 1. So we'll graph that one. Right 4 and up 1. 5. Evaluate for 5. So 5 minus 4, all squared, plus 1. Do your parentheses first. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Exponent next. 1 times 1 is 1. We do have a negative in front of that 1, so that becomes a negative 1. Plus 1 is 0. So that ordered pair, when we graph it, is right 5, up 0. Last one, evaluate for 6. Do your parentheses first. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Square your 2. 2 squared is 4. We have a negative in front, so that makes it a negative 4. Plus 1 is negative 3. Graph it, right 6, down 3. Now we have our 5 points. Our parabola is opening down. The domain of this function, like all quadratic functions, are negative infinity to infinity. Our range of values. Create our horizontal line here at y equals 1. Everything from y equals 1 and below will exist for your range of values. So the way you state that is negative infinity to 1.